Welcome back. All right, my lovely people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends wherever you are watching me from. It's your sister Sandy Entertainment TV. I'm here again to share Tafia video for you guys. Wait now. In fact, wait just the open on I don't pick am because na Tafia they do. I dey waka follow social media ping pong. Once I see video when be like this, I pick am I'll say this video, my lovely family, my lovely fans must watch with me. They must share am with me. All right, guys, before I quickly forget, this is Sandy Entertainment TV. If you have been watching me, you have not subscribed, please run down to that red button and hit that red button, the notification bell, so you'll be the first to watch whenever I upload a new video. To all my returning subscribers, may God bless you all. I love you very much. If I not love, when I wait till again, I not gain anything. So Nigeria, things they happen. It's too much. Oh, when I not let people hear. Oh, this one too much. Again, when I do Tafia see again. Oh, as only one of you watch this one, I will hear them. Oh, I run, come, me I share with you. All right. I love you all for your support. Before I quickly forget, in this Sandy Entertainment TV, we use Pidgin English, we use current English, but mostly I use Pidgin English because I told they do Tafia. And they do Tafia well. I like using Pidgin English so that people will not see the year, they will still hear the other one and they miss them. All right, thank you guys. You get what I see. In fact, this one and Nana, not before yesterday, some hours ago. This is now. Imagine filling station, fuel station. Italy they call them benzina. In fact, people get mad, they put fuel for tank. Say I say fuel, sorry, water for tank. Say na fuel. People go there, go buy fuel. Then they pump water for inside their tank where they don't say they knock engine. They destroy motor. Then they pump fuel, water like say na fuel for inside motor. Now Ogbas don't catch them. Ogbas don't surround them. You see as people wicked. If you don't get fuel, you don't go toss say fuel not day. Put somebody say no fuel. If fuel they write and say fuel day is better than one. That filling station they will lock am. Two, you not go function again. It don't lose the business. It don't lose company when it don't suffer put because of stinginess. It don't want close the filling station because of say fuel. No, they don't want close am. You go pump fuel for tank. Make people they buy. Nothing when person not see for Africa. Nothing. This is terrible. This is really terrible. If I say me I continue to do Tafia every hour, in fact, una go watch self, una go tire. If una see wetin dey happen for social media, hey, wahala be like wheelbarrow. Me no be like say I be staging person. Oh, God knows I not be staging person. I go like more na here. Na here. one surprised me. Oh. See ground, they pump water full the filling station. See ground. See ground full for water when they pop come out for tank when they take the self well for filling station. Is this really good? It's not nice at all, and it's not funny. This is wickedness, pure wickedness. This is pure wickedness. I trust Africa, sha. that filling station now, they don't see land. They don't go, never, ever open again. And the owner, don't go for it. I trust them. I trust them. You don't want lock your filling station for 1 week before fuel come. They sell water for people. Hey, voila, be like wheelbarrow for Africa. Oh. Be very, very vigilant. You guys, you should be very, very careful. Things they happen for Africa. You know, the person will never come across something. Now they say things not they happen. For real, things they happen. Like we now, when they do tafia follow everywhere. Oh, like social media, na tafia na be my first food when they eat. After I don't chop that one, I can't chop food on top. Like we now, when they waka kuru kere for inside social media, waka for internet, baka. Wait till we they see too much. Not be everything that they bring come out because of YouTube. Not be everything. If I say me, I continue to the bring everything, me self I go tire. Even chair when I sit down, self I go tire. I go tire. All right, I know let her too with me because this one are nothing. Who do bad, you go for it. All right, guys, I love you all for your support. If I don't love una, wait till again. If not be una, I go there. Yeah, who want follow me wash on? You know there. I love you all for your support. Please don't forget. When not forget to our sister and be our friend now. Don't forget to hit that red button and the notification bell, so you'll be the first to see whenever I do. If I do tafia konk like this, I'll be the first to see. Please always like and share. Leave your comment down below on the comment section. It's very, very important. I love you all. I love you all for your support. All right, guys. Bye. See you all on my next video. Please don't fail to support your girl. I love you guys. Bye.